Welcome to Mini Monster Mashers. Introduction. Welcome to Mini Monster Mashers, a world unlike any other. Far away in a distant galaxy, there exists a place where regular people and monsters with fantastic powers live together in constant conflict. This is the Water Ring, a world that's big, flat, and has stuff floating around it. A place where heroes, villains, friends, foes, and minions all seek adventure. Here, nothing is permanent. Don't like your head today, change it. Don't like how your feet feel, get another pair. This isn't just about looks, it makes battles more fun. I'm Mascot X, your guide to this amazing world. Let's begin. The Water Ring is surrounded by mysterious voids. The purple void, also called the Ring of Spirits, acts as a celestial graveyard where the energy of the deceased becomes part of reality itself. The white ring, known as the Ring of Light, is the source of a religion called the Float, teaching followers how to harness the power of the cosmos. Between them lies the Neon Ooze, a testing ground where spirits are forged and weapons are created from a warrior's internal energy. On the surface, you'll find amazing places: Metropolitan City Cortex, where scientists and smart people gather; Lava Land, home to creatures that thrive in heat; a vast ocean with mysteries yet to be discovered; the jungle with its golden protector; Great Plains where zebra, lions, and hippos live; a dark spaceport full of pirates and a police spaceport that responds to threats; a desert with lost wonders of ancient civilizations; beautiful green forests; farming provinces. Neon City, darker than Cortex but full of hustle and bustle; Gothtown, ruled by a princess who chooses peace over war; and Westworld, home to the roughest, toughest gunslingers who live for gold, the open road, and a quick draw. This world's flat landscape bends time and space, creating dark and light rifts that affect energy and movement in space around it. Sometimes things from the past fall out of the sky. Some have learned to harness the energy that flows outside the planet for good and for evil. In this world, you'll find 12 great heroes, 12 dangerous villains, 12 loyal sidekicks, 12 villains' companions, and 24 minions who follow their leaders' journeys. Meet Slug Sentinel, always ready for adventure and always eating his vegetables; Shadow Katar, elegant yet deadly, once human but now something else entirely; Buckaroo Trickster, spawned in a radioactive uranium well, bringing comedy to the Wild West; Dr. Frogetta, the only one in her family to become a mad scientist and love it; Nursebot Megan, developed by the top robotics scientists of the Gleaming Corporation; Princess of Gothtown, who never wanted to be a vampire princess but will use her new powers for good; Secret Agent, a man of mystery who never sleeps but always finds time to relax; Neon Oni, who loves fast cars, hot nights, and hunting bad guys. And the villains: Mineral Man, whose science pushed limits until he fell into a pit of minerals; Master of Pain, the strongest and most evil student of the House of Kai Pain Dojo; the Dusty Spider, a gold thief who sold his soul to a lost god; Dr. Squidman, who believes he should be the only intelligent aquatic life form; the Sludge, who just woke up in a swamp one day; the Werewolf, who was bitten by a werewolf but thought the pup tasted pretty good; Space Detective, who traveled through space unlocking mysteries; Ms. Mime, who took mime to a whole new level with magic; Amazoness River Goddess, protecting the rainforest from evil corporations; Jiangxi Girl, who might be dead or cursed but can still knock down trees; Technopathic Doctor, who lost his body and mind but not his spirit; and Captain Dark Matter, the first pirate to get his ship to space. Each monster has a story, each has unique abilities, each can swap body parts, heads, arms, torsos, legs to fit their mood and strategy. Mini Monster Mashers is a trading card game combined with mini tabletop battles. Two players face off in battles ranging from 1 versus 1 to 5 versus 5. Here's how it works. Players agree on teams and obstacles before the match. Choose 1 to 5 monsters. Bosses count as 2 units, alternate placing 1 monster or minion per round. The board is a 9x6 grid. Player 1's home zone is 3x3. The middle obstacle zone is 3x2. Player 2's home zone is 3x3. Before the game, alternate placing 1 to 3 obstacles in the middle: land, metal, fire, or water. Combat uses a simple coin flip system. Heads means success, Moons track cooldowns. Full moon means wait 2 turns. Crescent moon means use it, then wait 1 turn. New moon means use it every turn. Each round has 5 phases. First, the cure flip. Flip once and heads cures one status effect like curse, poison, or paralyze. Status effects last 2 turns maximum. Second, the move phase. Monsters move, but bosses only move every other turn. Third, attack and abilities. Use your attacks, passives, and counters. Fourth, place and pace. Place new monsters if allowed or trade items and parts. Fifth, the end phase. Moons tick forward. Obstacles add strategy. Land is climbable and gives land monsters an extra move. Metal blocks everything unless you can pull or reposition it. Fire deals 10 damage per turn unless you're immune. Water halves your movement unless you can swim freely. Place or remove obstacles during the ability phase with a coin flip. Cards show the monster's name, hit points, each heart equals 10 health, artwork, lore, and attacks on the front. The back shows body parts, head, arms, torso, legs, and items that can be swapped for strategy. Bosses are worth 2 monsters and move every other turn. Boss-only parts can only be traded using 2 minions plus a successful flip. This is Gen 1, the world almost in balance. A time of discovery and the collapse of the old order. Gods, bosses, and voids exist separately. Monsters are localized, regional, mythic. Power is uneven and mysterious. The end of gods is earned, not sudden. The game feels grounded and positional. There's no flight dominance yet. Each monster has a strong identity. The story takeaway is simple. This world is bigger than we thought and fragile. So gather your monsters, choose your strategy, flip your coins, and let the mashing begin. I'm Mascot X, and I'll see you on the battlefield.